This looks like a friendly Komodo dragon. This one I would partially trust with my life.
No. It's a trap.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we are at the Denver Zoo in Colorado. Mom, Dad, what do you have to say about this place so far?
I think it's going to be a great day. It's going to be 70 degrees. It's going to be beautiful weather. So I'm happy to see how the day goes. Today's video is sponsored by City Pass. City Pass is a great way to have a discount to see all these attractions at a lower price than you would if you bought all the tickets individually. Anywhere from 3 to 5 attractions.
3, 4, or 5 attractions you can pick. We could have done, say, if Mark was busy, he could have done only 3 and we could have done 5 different attractions. So you can mix and match.
Let's go to the zoo. You guys excited?
Yes!
You don't want to? Caveman will. You want to or not? Go, go.
You both will.
Okay.
Want to touch him?
He is.
Yeah, it's just like a police.
Figure it out.
No, it is confusing. Because we were here. Because this is where we got the map
Yep.
from.
Yep.
Then we went this way.
Yep.
And then we went in here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. So it's maybe not exactly 100% accurate. Where we got the mat, where we got this. We came in here, we picked up guest services. We just passed the gate center. Zoo Gardens is right here. Oh, look at that. Canadian geese, really? Like, look, we're at the zoo. Like, haha, those people think we're an exhibit.
Right here.
Right here. Okay, so we'll just keep going around and not go, or let's go that way.
Yeah.
What do you do with broken pigeons?
We're about to go down under.
Down under.
It's under.
What did you think it meant?
A water tube under the lake.
That would be cool. They should add that. You don't know which one Marshmallow is?
Do you know which one's Marshmallow
I
is?
know which one Marshmallow is.
Which one is it?
These geese are sponsored by Toyota.
Wait, they are?
Let me prove it to you. Okay, step back. Step back. Look.
They are sponsored.
What about the duck though?
Okay, he's sponsored too. You know what's dangerous for the ducks in there?
What?
Geese.
Okay, what's dangerous for the geese in here?
The duck.
I don't like it, but I would still like to.
If he meant he doesn't like it, he loves it. That's huge.
Sorry, guys.
Alligator and a snapping turtle.
Yeah.
That's the name of it. It's an alligator snapping turtle this time.
I feel like we're back in the aquarium. Chantel, how do you know where we are?
Because I got the app. And allowed it to track my location while using it, so.
It's a good idea.
Where's the bears?
Not in the raccoon enclosure, which is where we are.
It's
Oh, there's a lion.
See it? You see it?
This is actually neat compared to some of the other zoos where we can never see them.
That's true. Caveman, is that a penguin making that noise or a raptor?
We ready to go?
I'm ready, if you're ready.
Go. Be sure to check out our other videos here.